to my channel. I'm Claire Longo and I'm here with a very special guest, my little baby sister, Eve. She's a Gen Z and I'm obviously a millennial. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our own makeup trends and we'll talk you through what we're doing, and I think it'll be kind of fun because we'll learn kind of how makeup has evolved over time. Makes sense? All right, Eve, so what are we doing tonight?
So tonight's New Year's Eve and we are going out, so we're going to do some like fun creative makeup. And I haven't been creative in a while, so I'm kind of excited to experiment.
You're creative every day. Oh, you are. Yeah, so it's New Year's Eve, so this is another holiday makeup tutorial. We're going out to a place that's kind of like a Western vibe, so we're gonna show our outfits at the end. We're not doing that typical sequins, we gotta be different here. So we're doing like a country Western fit, so we'll show our outfits at the end here.
You'll see.
But yeah, let's start with a base. What do you use for a base?
Okay,
what do kids use these days?
These days, I use the cheapest primer I can find that's actually good, which is NYX.
Oh, I used to have that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll probably have some similarities. So I did this to help moisturize, and then I also use, this one is like very popular right now for people my age, it's the Airbrush Flawless Primer. But I use both, and I use this one after all my liquids. You'll see.
Okay, so that's like a setting spray.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've got something similar here. I'm actually using sunscreen as a primer.
Oh, that's always good.
I've been doing that for a long time, and it doesn't matter tonight, but yeah. And then I do have this, which is just cheap drugstore.
Which one is that?
It's
Oh, Allegro.
So Evie took me on an adventure today. We went to the mall.
You did.
And you guys know I don't leave the house. She told me I have to.
I did. I told her she needs to go on walkies.
Walkies.
Fresh air.
It's like walking your dog. You walk your sister.
Basically.
Yeah.
I did put way too much of those foods now. Did you ever learn about like how to get products? So like there's water-based products and silicone-based products. Did you ever learn about that?
I don't think I did. Tell me.
Oh my god. Okay. This is where I love the internet now. So apparently there's different products that like don't work with each other because of the base that they're made out of. And so like if you have a silicone-based foundation, you should also use a silicone-based primer.
Really?
And so on. Yeah, you can mix it, like, depends on the product, but I like to stick to one as much as I can.
Yeah.
So most of mine is silicone-based, and I'm pretty sure this one is also silicone.
Oh, there you go. So it doesn't curdle on your
Yeah.
face.
So, like, if you mix...
Like orange juice and milk.
Exactly.
Tasty.
I love that.
Ah,
Yeah.
so I'm just doing a simple concealer, and then I'm going to do foundation. So I have this cheapo.
Cute.
And then I have a beauty blender. What do you do for base?
Right now I'm really into Rare Beauty, so I'm using the tinted moisturizer in Positive Light. This one's really popular right now.
And this is the part of my routine where I use my absolute favorite product, the Too Faced lip injections. I put it on, this is interesting, tell me if you do this. I put something on like this during my makeup routine because it protects my lips from getting makeup on it. Like you can see it's already there. It's gonna wipe right off with this and the lips will be like plump. So I do that after, when I'm waiting for like the rest of my routine.
I do something different. I put like something like this, like just like any moisturizer, and then I go all over my face like this, like even my lips. And then when I'm done with my face makeup, I take it off with like micellar water and then go and do my lips.
Yeah.
So now we're doing contour.
Okay, contour.
This is exciting.
Show me what you do.
Okay, I have the Fenty Beauty. This is the Amber one because I'm pale and cool tone skin, if not neutral. So I always use one like this. And what I do is I put it, if I'm feeling exciting, I put it on the forehead. And then I do the cat eye trick, which is like you put it over.
Oh, I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's something I saw online.
Okay, that lifts the eye.
And then this is interesting. So my face shape is like round and square. So I do. Do you have setting powder?
Yeah,
okay.
But it's
because I need setting powder.
I have both. I got you.
Okay, so I do.
Oh wow.
And when I blend it, it won't look crazy.
That is different. Those are not the shapes I'm drawing on.
Yeah. And then I do the chin on it.
Okay, so the similarity is we are drawing shapes on our face and we blend it in, like different shapes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using a powder contour today. I got out my Kat Von D because I remembered how much I love her. And I do have a contour palette by her. So what I do is I'm gonna do with powder, we're gonna do across here. And I'm going to do like temple and down, and then on the cheek. I concentrate it there and go down. Leave it, and then I do chin.
Oh, so you use the powdered.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
like I do cream sometimes, but if I do a cream, I'm gonna set it with the powder the same color.
Okay. Yeah, I usually just do the cream for contour, and then I
Yeah.
don't really do bronzer unless it's like summer. That's
Ah,
interesting.
you look funny.
I know.
I'm about to
So
look
I
funny.
also do the nose because I like making my nose look a little smaller. So
I do nose too,
contour,
so I just
yeah.
do lines down the nose.
Exactly. I do blush.
I do blush next too.
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing it?
Okay, so I use liquid blush first, and this is the Rare Beauty once again. I'm very loyal to Selena Gomez's line. She does amazing. These things are really strong, so I just do
It's like really
dot,
pigmented.
dot.
Do you blend it with your finger?
Finger and then the brush, and then I put a this one on top of it.
Oh, this is where we do not diverge. I have a cream blush from ColourPop, and I do that, and then I'm gonna set it with my
See?
House Labs. What's next?
What do I do next? I have to do all my liquids first. So I got a new highlighter that's more shimmery.
Okay,
Really
I can do
excited to
highlighter
use it.
next.
This is by Merit. I've never heard of this brand. Just like that and that.
Okay,
But I don't
yeah.
go all the way like to the bridge because that's where I'm bronzing.
I have this tiny. It's like just like a pan of.
I'm gonna use that.
Yeah, you're gonna use this on your eyes. So this is an example. You can use highlighter like on your eyes all the time. So this is
I love
from
it.
Divina Cosmetics. It has kind of like purple and blue glitter in it. And I just do, so I do highlighter with my finger, and I'm gonna do a circle on my nose and then a line. I do not highlight my cheeks. I don't know why
Same.
right now.
I don't.
Yeah.
I used to do it when I was like 14, and it was like Kylie Jenner.
Yeah.
But like then it died very quickly for me because like it's just it doesn't look.
Don't you feel
Very
it makes you look like a
fitting.
Napoleon ice cream?
Oh my
You
god.
know what I'm talking about. Because like
I
that
do, I
ice
do.
cream, it's like the
Yeah.
layers, it's like vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
Literally.
And so you
And
have
it's
like the white,
Yeah,
it's
no.
like 3 stripes.
Now it's just my nose. It's like that.
now
Now it's just my nose.
Mm.
And see that shine?
And you're layering products. Look at that shine. Look at
Look
that
at
little
that.
button nose.
That's crazy.
That little button nose.
So after
up?
I do all the liquid parts of the makeup, so anything that's liquid, I do this after so that it sets. So I do eyebrows. My eyebrow routine is super easy because I get mine done.
So what
But
do
that
you do?
means I don't do anything except for a brow grip.
Okay, well I'll
That's
do
very
my
easy.
brows. I do this. This is like where we probably really diverge. I do a powder brow. I do like the look of a powder brow because I'm very fair. I feel like it's just lighter. But I'm gonna do like that full Sharpie brow. Yeah,
Is
I
it
like what
good?
you're doing. You got
Yeah.
good shape.
Well,
I
I
like-
get them done.
Yes, you know what's up.
Yeah. So the next step I do is eyeliner on my water.
Ooh,
This is very like I'm obsessed with like 90s makeup, and so this is where like my obsession actually shows. So I love like the dark kind of like very feminine,
had I?
like Kate Moss.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that kind of
So
vibe.
that's kind of the vibe you go for is the
Yeah.
Kate Moss.
Usually I have like I dry my waterline first
Oh,
with like a Q-tip or whatever, then lazy so
that's
I just
helpful.
go in, yeah.
I also do waterline a lot, almost every day.
Mhm.
So I just have a black gel pencil, exactly what she's doing.
Exactly. And I'm using like a cheap one. This is Manhattan, I think. What is this? L'Oreal Paris. But it's like you get it at a drugstore. So this one that she has.
Ah,
I'm
that's
stealing
gonna
this
be your
from her.
eyeshadow.
So basically I should do this first.
So I'll go
I
ahead and do my
literally
eyeshadow
just
then.
Put it on with my finger and that's it.
Yeah,
Because we're from the 90s.
there you go. For my eyeshadow routine, it's gonna be much more involved because I am a millennial. So we're gonna do this color on the base, then we're going to cut crease with this color and that color, darkening the corner with the darker one. Then we're going to put on eyeliner and then set the eyeliner with the kind of black glitter one there. And then we'll do one of these colors as the overall.
So I'm using my sister's stuff now, and I'm gonna use the darkest black I can find, which is right.
Oh yeah, you've really got like a great.
That's it.
I love it. So I did wing. Oh, it's cute.
Yeah, it's very Maryland.
It's very Maryland.
like that.
So like I said, I got lost and time traveled here accidentally. Oh, actually, I do mascara first before I set it.
Oh, I always do mascara last, to be honest. I also have lifted lashes right now.
Ooh, yeah.
Usually they're like dead straight down, so.
Okay, I will tell you what I thought of the 90s though. I love fashion. I've always loved fashion. And I think it was the most unfortunate decade for me to be young and experimenting with fashion because it was the age of fast fashion. It's when we figured out how to make things really cheaply and low quality.
They kept it that way now.
It was awful because it used to be like beautiful, high quality things that were thoughtfully created, and then it was just like plastic chokers and like. I did not like the fashion at all, and the makeup I think was a little.
The makeup was very like we call it camp.
Yeah, some of it I really liked. The makeup was like okay, but some of it was just like I don't know, camp.
Camp is a good word for it.
Yeah. So
yeah. Well, we are mimicking you guys now.
I know, and I don't know why because I did everything I could to
to avoid.
Like I would rather be 80s. I'd rather be 1950s, 60s.
Yeah.
Now. I really liked the change that kind of the Kardashian era fostered in was a much more kind of like feminine, contoured, kind of that monochrome in terms of outfits, which is very much like more sophisticated looking.
I don't know what it was really like, but I do see I love the runway of the 90s. The runway style was so beautiful, and I don't think like the supermodel like stardom was a hit, and like that part of fashion and makeup was probably my favorite like inspiration for what I do when I'm like experimenting.
Gotcha.
My lip routine. This is new. We do a million things just to get one look.
Okay.
So like I have the Benetint's, which I put on first because it's really drying, and then I put, this is new, I got this today, the Laneige grapefruit mask thing.
Beautiful.
So over.
I have a lime crime lip liner in red. I do love lip liner. And then this is my favorite lipstick that you already know about. This is the Revlon Fire and Ice.
See, I'm blending it into like the edges of my. Looks very like pouty.
Yes.
Because that is the trend right now.
I'm going to overdraw and then put on heavy lipstick, heavy matte lipstick.
That's
just how I am.
So mattes, gloss.
Yes, matte
gloss.
That's across like multiple products too. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is a new brand, right? This is the Love Trap liner, and then I have the Pillow Talk collagen gloss. But I have a lot of glosses. I change them up every single day. But this is what I have right now. So. And I overline.
Everyone has Pillow Talk. I like that one a lot. It's one that works on like all skin tones.
Exactly.
You're so pretty.
So pretty.
You're so pretty. You. Alright, I'm doing eyelashes and then that is the last of it. I think what we learned from doing this is that I'm faster than you.
Yeah.
But you have more technique.
So this is our New Year's look.
This is our New Year's look.
That's it. We will come back to her.
We're gonna do hair, we're gonna do outfits, and we're gonna come back. Happy New Year!